this is where I asked myself the question about getting clear on what I actually wanted. I wanted to create income. I wanted to work in a business where I was working with great people. Other people were like me, successful, like-minded income earners who wanted to create more freedom and flexibility in their life. Now, I'm active in that business. It's active. But what I'm creating is I'm taking all the active income and I'm investing it passively into these properties. So if any point in time, tragedy happens, dealt with that, hurt my last business, it won't hurt this one. If I decide that I don't really want to be active anymore, great. Well, we've got all of our money put passively back into these properties. I'm in a much better place. But it brought me to this idea of an ideal client. And I want you guys to think about this weekend or spend some time when you get home and ask yourself, who do you want to serve? What is the person that you're actually serving in your business? Because if you don't know it now and you're already running a business, you have an ideal client, you have a clientele, but they might not be ideal. And so I'll shorten this story, but essentially in my last business, I was buying homes for 60 cents on the dollar from customers or from clients. I was making their life better. They loved it. Some of them were complete jerks to work with. It was not a great experience. It's terrible if you guys ever dealt with buying homes in distress. But we made a lot of money doing it. But it was a one-time transaction. So for me, I made the decision my ideal client is a repeat client and customer. I have alignment of interest with them. What I am offering them is more valuable than what I'm asking in return. I'm getting paid based on success, right? So I've figured out a way that really aligns with my purpose. What do I want? Why do I want it? And I encourage you guys to think about this. Who is that client? What is it that you're going to do? And an ideal client is someone who gets their needs met, their exact needs met by your offering. So in this example, wealthy, income-earning, accredited investors who want to invest in real estate, they get their needs met because we go buy, manage, and operate these properties, and we get paid based on success, and they don't have to do anything. And they make 10, 15, 20% annualized returns. It's a great offer and opportunity for them. Are there other people who do this? Yes. Are there other people who do it with the same vigor, passion, intentionality, and the way that we communicate about the life we're trying to create? Probably not exactly. So that makes us unique in the market, and it allows us to attract people who we actually want to work with. And I encourage you to do the same, because up front, it's going to feel like, hey, I need to get the deal done. I need to take that check from the jerk, right? But we have a no jerk policy, because I've been in properties with assholes, and you don't want to be in partnership with them, right? And so you want to know, where is your line? What is it that you're actually looking to accomplish, and who do you want to be in your life? Because when you're doing these deals, hence, you're locked up with people for 5 years. If they're a jerk, they're going to send you emails every day being a jerk. You don't want that. So think about it up front.
Let me ask you something. Are you hitting success yet you know that there's another level? Or perhaps you're just getting started. You're trying to put all these pieces together, get your first deal, but something's holding you back. Or maybe you're going through a big change in your career and your life, but for some reason you just can't take the steps you need to know in order to move forward. Well, I've been having a lot of really incredible conversations with people who are in the exact same position as you are, and they've been able to make massive change happen very quickly. Whether that's doubling your income within just a few months, whether that's making some kind of big shift in your life and really unlocking that vision, or perhaps it's just getting clear on what that vision needs to be so that you can really take those steps. Of course, you guys know me, host of the Investor Mindset here, Steven Pesavento, and high performance coach. I've been working with clients for years, seeing and helping them see major results. And I'd love to set up a call to discover if it's possible to be able to help you with some of those same things. If you are in a position where you want more and you're committed to taking some steps to get there, then I encourage you to head over to investormindset.com/discover and let me know a little bit more information about you. Set up a call and we'll jump on and we'll walk through a discovery process. Totally complimentary. You'll walk away with a lot of clarity. And if there's some way that I can help serve you, I'll let you know that too. So you can just head over to investormindset.com/discover and I look forward to serving you.
Thank you for listening to the Investor Mindset Podcast. If you like what you heard, make sure to rate, review, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Head over to theinvestormindset.com to join the Insider Club, where we share tools and strategies from the top investors and entrepreneurs on how to take it to the next level.